This is me with a RC helicopter. See it? Look how fast it is. Today, I fly it. Today. So, this is the controller. And when you see it, see right there? See on and off? Yeah? And I got the blue flasher. See it? Flashing. I'm going to turn this off and I'll show you what it does when it's on the charger. See? Like an ordinary broken. When you turn it off, it's like a broken helicopter. And see that green light? That means it's not. This is all charged. And this, I'm going to fly. So I'm going to turn it back on. And here we go. Got it lay on the ground. And you guys are going here and watch her fly. Oh, it's okay. Did you see that? It keeps going crazy. I'm gonna try to fly it onto the roof. But look. Have something to show you again. See this? So, let's fly. it just went dead. She's still on and she just went dead right now. So, bye. Goodbye. My address of home, 11345. My email. Blah. That's what it is. Bye.